we're getting a stronger than time edition G-wagon in. It's blue right now, and it's got a lot of silver brushed aluminum looking accents on it. And we are going to touch and change every single surface on this G-wagon. It's going to be a huge project. We'll have it stripped down like it's on an assembly line. Doors off, hood off, everything's going to be off. Completely different car. We're going to touch every single surface, get our mittens all over it.
Grab your mittens.
Yeah.
Put your hands on me, on me, on me. Put your hands on me, on me, on me. Put your hands on me, on me, on me. Put your hands on me, on me,
Stronger than time package this was.
It was.
Now it's the Envision stronger than time package.
Changed every surface. There it is.
Every surface on this car has been changed.
Yeah.
Complete 100% color change.
No longer recognizable by the owner at all.
All the silver is now satin black. All the blue is now matte charcoal metallic. Joe and Cam, they killed it on this thing. It came out freaking amazing.
You could say it's stronger than time.
It's stronger than it was.
Stronger than stronger than.
It's stronger than
Strongest than time.
It's strongest in time.
Yeah.
So what we got going on is a little trick, or prank as we'd like to call it here at the shop. We got a Ty's Panamera Sport Turismo coming in, brand new whip for the 2022 season. So what we got going on right here is Ty's purple for his Panamera, provided by STEK paint protection films. Just to mess with him, we decided to switch around these boxes because they offer a Miami blue right now. So we put Miami blue in the STEK box, which is actually a Nosetech, just to play, you know, a good old joke on him.
Swapperoo.
Swapperoo. Be funny to see his reaction when he opens the box expecting purple. We decided to switch all the stickers over and everything, make it look real legit.
A few moments later.
Got STEK, you know, color changing film for his Panamera.
New Panamera.
Purple.
Purple.
I'm really excited.
So excited to see it.
So this is PPF that is colored.
This is 8 mil thick paint protection film that has a 10-year warranty, but it'll change the color of your vehicle. So we're really excited to try this new product out. Beautiful! They really sent the wrong color.
What do you mean?
Oh, I sent you the Miami blue.
Dude, that's hilarious. I ordered the purple.
What do you mean?
I thought you said purple.
I did say purple. Yeah, but this stuff's still incredible. Like that vinyl, that's way better looking than vinyl. And the fact that it's a paint protection material, it'll never scratch. Hilarious. Michael, what is this, dude? You playing pranks on me, bro?
Do not call Michael. Do not call Michael.
Why?
Because we're playing pranks on you. Do not call Michael. That's it.
Did you guys really take that box?
Yes.
Hilarious.
I was like, there's no way we do not have to. We have to do it.
You guys suck.
You're not really that purple.
So here's the purple.
Yeah, like whatever else solved the
You
problem.
didn't react as well as I
Damn,
thought.
no,
I thought
dude.
you were a freak.
Dude, that purple is,
It
gonna
is
be
so nice.
ridiculous.
Yeah.
It looks like one of the factory paint specs that Porsche actually did on cars on the 911.
It really does look that good.
Look at that color.
Oh my.
Oh yeah.
Dang.
Perp.
Dude, that on a full panel is gonna be so ridiculous. Sam, we've got something really special here today. This is STEK's new product. This is their paint protection color change film. Now they don't have a ton of colors like vinyl yet, but I'm for sure this industry is gonna blow up considering the depth and color that we have of this purple. try to explain the differences. You've installed vinyl, you've installed paint protection film, clear protective film for paint. This here is a colored paint protection film. Now, what are the biggest differences that you noticed between colored paint protection film and a vinyl wrap?
Major differences between paint protection film and vinyl. Paint protection film is installed wet, so you use a couple different solutions to install it. Vinyl is typically applied dry. So as far as like one of the major key differences, obviously that's going to be one of the huge playing factors in this. The biggest thing with laying this particular color change PPF that we realized is not being able to see behind our edges, which was a difficult trick to play out for, especially when you're mostly doing hand trimming because you want to be able to hide all your lines and, you know, make it look flawless as if the car came painted this way. A couple major differences. Vinyl uses heat lamps, and they're UV based, so they end up making the film more malleable. And we actually kind of stole that idea from them as well and ended up using a lot of warm water on particularly deep recesses or particular areas we had to stretch.
So one of the things that excites me most about this STEK product is the depth of the gloss that you actually get with this. Vinyl, your traditional vinyl wrap material, never has a gloss that is as rich as this. Right, Sam?
There is definitely nothing comparable on the market as far as gloss vinyl goes, with just the depth and the minimal amount of even orange peel on this is just crazy.
Well, one of the other things that impresses me the most about it is the fact that paint protection films are self-healing, which is one of the things most people don't actually know, is this thing sits in the sun, all the surface scratches will bake out. So you don't end up with a swirled paint job either, like you would on your traditional dark vehicle.
Might seem as if we just washed this and just drove here, but we definitely just wiped it down.
Yeah, I definitely just was dirty and I wiped it down here in the parking lot, which I would never do that with a black car because it would be scratched. But that's the one thing I've always admired about putting paint protection on an entire vehicle. One of the other key features that I noticed with this STEK product is that they're offering a 10-year warranty. Every other vinyl manufacturer that exists to date for a color change film only allows a 1-year manufacturer warranty. STEK has stepped the game up. We're getting a full, unique color changed product with a 10-year warranty. How cool is that? Biggest game changer with this is vinyl is a 2 mil thick product. This is 8.5 mil thick. So this product also has a little bit of rebound to it, where vinyl, when it's cold, it's just brittle and breaks, where this product is paint protection. So give it 10 years, we could potentially take this completely off and we'd have a shiny gloss black car again. One of the other things that I found really impressive is the night I took it out of the shop, it rained and I drove it to dinner and it was covered in it was filthy, right?
Filthy.
All we did was just power washed it and then wiped it off. Like, it's so hydrophobic. Whatever top coating that STEK uses, I mean, it's basically just as good as some of the ceramic coatings that we install on these vehicles, is what I would say. Would you agree?
Yes, I would absolutely say their hydrophobic coating is definitely noticeable in every aspect as far as washing it, and even when it comes down to installation. When you try to stretch something even just like this fender up to that headlight, really muscle it in there because your hands are slipping and sliding all off of it.
There really isn't a vinyl product that I found that has any type of hydrophobic property out the gate. We've always installed some type of ceramic glass coating on top of our vinyl wraps because of that. Where this one I don't think needs it, even though I'm curious to try, but I mean, the metallic flake in this is just insane when you look at it in the sun now. There's so much color. But what I was explained by one of the representatives over there is that it's actually automotive grade paint that has been installed on vinyl somehow, and then they put their paint protection film on top, and you've got this glorious color change material that it's gonna be a while till somebody makes something comparable. I want to thank everybody for watching. Hope you appreciated the STEK's paint protection color change film as much as we do. We're really excited to see how this product is going to wear over time. We've got some Boston wheels coming for the Panamera. They're sending me out a loaner set.
Thanks, KJ.
Ford set comes. I guess it is because we're the #1 seller for Boston in the United States, so it makes sense. Like, subscribe. Appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you on the next.
Put your hands on me.